Hey guys, this is probably one of the most fun foam dart blasters I've ever played with. The Diamonddogs Kar98K, also known as 98k Cub in Chinese, or 98k Cub in English. I will be calling this blaster 98k Cub to prevent any potential confusion by YouTube with the actual real steel counterpart. If you wish to know more about the real one, just Google it. It is a very famous historical icon. Thank you very much to Ideal Foam Blaster or IFB for lending me this blaster for review. Also a very big thank you to Alexander from Light Wizards for the tremendous help with the intro footage. Links to IFB and Light Wizards are in the video description. This particular 98k Cub blaster that I am reviewing is a demo unit, so it has been passed around and tested by other players from my local community. As such, there are some imperfections and scratches on the blaster shell. This blaster hits around 200 FPS, which is perfect for lower FPS, non-competitive games and cosplay. Chronograph tests will be shown later. The colours are customizable and it will come partially assembled with 3 stripper clips and the soft TPU red bayonet. Besides the overall shorter length and the slight variation in the buttstock shape, which gives this blaster a very cute and toy-like appearance, this 3D printed 98k Cub's design is actually quite authentic in terms of looks and feels. It is also thick and sturdy. It comes with a 35cm barrel that is threaded on both ends. The tip has an orange cap which can be unscrewed to attach the Diamonddogs B-car, or any other types of 3D printed B-cars with threads. The bayonet is a soft TPU material, which is quite safe to use in games that allows melee. It attaches to the front section below the barrel via spring tension, and can be removed by pressing and pulling it off. However, it does not work with the Diamonddogs B-car. It has a front side post and an adjustable tangent rear sight, which allows the user to aim and hit the 30 meters target. It has an internal magazine that holds 5 rounds. It comes with stripper clips which you can reload the blaster with, or you can load the darts one at a time. The trigger feels okay and not too heavy. Overall, the blaster is light and comfortable to use. It measures about 80 cm long and weighs about 1.2 kg. Let's take a look at the chronograph test. I did some plinking with the 98k Cub with the Diamond Dogs V car for fun. I did not have high expectations as it is not a high performance blaster. At 200 FPS with moderate to strong winds, it was quite challenging to hit a 30-meter human-sized target. However, I did score some hits, at around 1 hit with every 3 shots, which is actually quite good in my opinion. At the 20-meter mark, he was scoring direct hits with almost every shot. Overall, I had so much fun plinking with this 98k Cub. As mentioned earlier, it is great for low FPS, non-competitive games, cosplay and historical reenactments. I am actually very tempted to get one in red and black. I understand from IFB that their first batch of 98k Cub blasters are already sold out, and the second batch will be coming in at around the end of this month. It is selling for 150 Singapore dollars, so do keep a lookout for it if you are keen to get one. Please leave a comment, drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this review video helpful. Thank you and see you.